Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vodka gummy bears. First, gather your supplies. A bag of your favorite gummy candies, a bottle of vodka, and a shallow, airtight container. Make sure your gummies are fresh for optimal absorption. Pour the gummies into the container, spreading them in a single layer if possible. This ensures each gummy gets ample exposure to the vodka. Now, gently pour your chosen vodka over the gummies, ensuring they are fully submerged. You might need about 1 cup of vodka for a standard bag of gummies. Cover the container tightly and place it in the refrigerator. Allow them to soak for a minimum of 8 hours. For a stronger infusion and plumper gummies, you can extend the soaking time up to 2 full days. To add a unique twist, try using flavored vodka like raspberry or citrus. You can also enhance the taste by adding 1 tablespoon of fruit juice, such as cranberry or orange, to the vodka before soaking. This introduces another layer of flavor. Remember, the gummies will expand significantly, sometimes doubling in size, so ensure your container has enough space. Once fully infused, your vodka gummy bears are ready to enjoy. Serve them chilled for the best texture and flavor. Remember, these are for adults only and should be consumed responsibly. Store any uneaten gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will last for several days. For more deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.